Hi everyone, hope you're having a good day. Today we wanted to highlight a product that we have at Freedom Physical Therapy that we have specially formulated to meet the needs of a lot of our patients. As you can see here, Molly is using the Freedom Ball right now as kind of a foam roller slash mobility ball. And what she's doing is kind of what you would do with a foam roller. She's rolling out those muscles, but what we found with the Freedom Ball is that it's a little bit softer, and because it's a little bit softer, we're able to sink into the ball a little bit more. Your muscles don't react quite as negatively with a huge pain response to the pressure that's being applied. Even with Molly having most of her weight directly into that ball. And as you can see in this video and the previous clips, she's just using it again to roll out her calves, her glute muscles, and she's getting into her hamstrings right now. And the benefit of the ball too is you can get a little bit of cross massage along the muscle fibers by going back and forth, and she's even able to get a little bit into her adductors where it might be a little bit more difficult to do so with a foam roller. And just like a foam roller, she's really able to target and attack any area that she may feel needs to be rolled out. And as you can see, she's even getting into the adductors here, and she would even be able to maybe even get a little bit more up into her groin area if she wanted to. And this movement especially can be a little bit painful on a very, very firm foam roller. And that's not necessarily the end goal of rolling out. You really want the muscle to relax and not react negatively to too firm of pressure, and allow you to really sink in and take care of some of that myofascial tightness and muscle tightness. Where the Freedom Ball really shines is the ability to mobilize the spine and get that ball into the area in between your shoulder blades, to roll out the thoracic spine area and into the cervical spine area. And you can't really get to that with a foam roller due to not really being able to get into the shoulder blade area that much, because it blocks you with the way the foam roller is designed compared to the shape of a ball. So if you have any questions about the Freedom Ball or would like to purchase one, contact us here at Freedom Physical Therapy Services.